Firstly, there is the plant side of the conversation that exists, the many years of research that have gone into the plant, and then also the many years of research that have gone into understanding us as humans and our bodies and their functioning. So we're going to simplify this as much as possible for you and equip you with the essential information that has come about from this 50 years of research that's been going on behind the scenes. Cannabis can take many forms, and in its raw form it is a plant, and from that plant we can extract a number of phytochemicals and put those phytochemicals into a number of different products. The oils in cannabis, the terpenes in cannabis, the cannabinoids in cannabis can all be extracted and condensed into either oils, capsules, balms as well, creams that you can rub on your skin. You've seen vape liquids out in the shops already. Of course, we obviously have the buds and flowers themselves, which can be consumed, vaporized, smoked. When we talk about cannabis, you might have heard of hemp as well as cannabis or cannabis sativa, cannabis indica.